So this is what it's going to look like when we get done. As you can see, this pipe goes all the way around. And then we just screw these in. There's 2 on each side. So there's 4 total for each basket. They've got a couple different types of baskets. Those are the different things. These are the various tools and things that come with it. So our first step, according to this, is we're going to do this part right here. You're going to need an Allen wrench. And look, that's how it locks. All right, so there's 3 sizes here. 1, 2, and 3. So we've got 3 different sizes. And the one that we're going to use, I believe, is the smaller one, which would be this one here, which I would think would be the top. So we've got to connect it this way, okay? This would go like that on the top. I don't know if it makes a difference which way you do it, but we're going to see. All right, in here, we got a couple Allen wrenches, right? So we've got them. And I don't know why they gave you 2, but you got 2. Let's set them there. And then we have these, and you can see that it's a screw and like a little bolt that goes in it. Okay, so we've got all the sets right there. We should be able to hook this together, right? So let's go ahead and put her on there. And it's weird because it's got little indentations here. I just think it just goes like that, right? And then these, I believe, go under like that. And then I take the screw and I put it on the top. It's not that easy, is it? Definitely going to require 2 hands. Oh, there we go. All right, so I got this one, right? Just to lock it in. So let me show you how I did that. So you take this one and it goes under through here, through this little hole. If I can find the hole, like that, right? Then I'm going to take the screw. We got to get it right in there. So we're just going to kind of push it in, just get it started. You follow me like that? And then we can get it all the way down with our fingers. And then we can get in here and we can get our Allen wrench on it. So you're going to put it like that, just twist it, right? Now, once you get it certain tightness, you've got to go underneath. Notice this here too, I put an Allen wrench in here, like that. Then I can come up on top with the Allen wrench and tighten it. So this holds this little bolt in there, okay? And now I can get it nice and tight. I do that for both sides, right? Okay, first I gotta get it in there. Once I get it in there, you see, I'm holding it. Then I'm gonna come up on top and twist it and tighten it. Okay, so now we got these 2 nice and tight. Both take the Allen wrench. So you need the 2 Allen wrenches so that you can get them nice and tight. So that's why we've got 2 Allen wrenches, because both sides of these you need to Allen wrench to get tight. All right, let's do it. So this is F. And this is going to come in here, just like that. But I think I might have to put the extensions on it. Okay, so before I tighten these down, I've got to put this extension in here, like that, on both sides, right? Now we can go ahead and put this on, because this is going to not only, it's going to attach these, but also attach that. So we're going to use this underneath. I'm going to slide it through, just like that. All right, so we got to put this underneath. It goes all the way through. Then we're going to take a screw. We're just going to get it started. Just get it started. Sometimes they have a little burr on them, man. There we go. All right, we're going to tighten as far as we can, just like that, and then we'll put the other side in. So remember, 2 sides. This one goes on the bottom, comes up through there, and then we got to get this screw in there and just get it started. There we go. I think we're doing good. We got both of those in. So I've got to go underneath it, right? And get it in there And then I can come up on top and I can twist it. Just like that. It won't go all the way. Just want to get this one too. A little bit. Right? Just like that. Okay. Alright, so we're underneath here, right? And you got to get that in that little bolt-like area here. And so now I can get on top and I can tighten this. And I've got to, if I hold this, that enables me to tighten it down. Just like that. Yeah. Same thing on this side. Get in there, hold it, get up on top, and then tighten it down. Yeah. There we go. So that enables me to get these nice and tight. Just like that. Same on this side. Getting in there. And bam. There we go. Okay. I think that's tight enough. All right, good. All right, next step. Next, we've got these two. You're gonna see one is tapered, has a little hole in it, and the other one has a bigger hole. So you've just gotta kinda, you're gonna make sure they're pointed in the same direction. And this is just gonna go in there like that. All right, so there we go. We got it all the way in, and we just gotta put a screw in there. It's just got one screw. So let's set that down. That's one side, right? So we've got two of those. Same thing here. If I can get it in there. Wow, doesn't want to go. Oh, there we go. All right, so, that does not, it's not quite getting there, is it? Look, so these things are not really machined very well. You're gonna find that. So we may have to do some adjusting on it. So it looks like we're just gonna use one screw here. It's just gonna go in there, just like this. Just gotta get it started. I'm thinking, I didn't see any other screws. All right, so that's all the ones that we have. So let's go ahead, let's get this one in here. Let's see if we can just lock it down. Because I do believe that's all we've got, right? Yeah, it seems to be going. All right, so that one's in. Now this one could pose a problem because as you can see, when you buy this stuff, it doesn't always match up really well. You know what I mean? It's just very close. Let's see if I can force it in. All right, I think we got it started. All right, we're good. Yeah, this stuff is machined, but comes from China. They're not really spending a lot of detail. Just trying to crank them out. All right, I think we're good. So now we've got our two bottom pieces. Next, what we've got to do is we got to put this side on the other. We got to flip it over, I do believe, and do the other side. All right, so what we're going to do next is we're going to put them right on the bottom here. I'm going to pop this baby around. We're going to do the other side, just like that. We're going to crank the other side down. Then I'm going to stand it up and set it in there. Okay, I'm just going to do this first. I keep getting this horsefly on me, and I'm going to kill him. He doesn't know it, but I will swat him as soon as I get a free second. So let's go ahead and get these on. Okay, now we just got to tighten them down, right? So I got to do the same thing. I got to go underneath. So far, so good. Now we got to put these in, right? This has got to go in there. That's got to go in there. Put those there, just like we did in the beginning. Get her on there. Get the tightness going. There we go. There we go. Bam, done. All right, now we can do our bottom. Whew. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try lifting her up and connecting it all at once. You follow me? Like this. See, this will make it easier, I think, to put that last piece on. The key is you got to get both of these at the same time. Just like that. All right, so now I think we're cooking with grease. Now we got to get our last one on right here, right? Put these over here. All right, so the key is I got to go through this hole and through those holes. So I'm going to slide it in here like this, and hopefully I can, it looks like I got to slide it like this. This is the tough part here. I got to get it in there. There we go. All right, we're good. Well, we'll do this side and then we'll do that side. All right? So we'll just try to get one side started so that find the hole, bring it through, and get the screw going. Once we got that, we got to start, right? And get it thread. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, so that one's in. Now let's get this one back on there. Okay. So we've got to get it. We got to get it on this one too at the same time. So that's going to be a problem, right? I'm going to lay this towel down so I don't scratch it, because I know she's going to bitch at me. Right? All right. So let's get this on too, because we have to have it on there, right? There we go. Gotta have this one on too. There we go. All right, we're looking good. Okay, we're good there. Good there. So let's do this one here. Let's see if we can get this one on this side. So we gotta find the hole, see there? And then we gotta find it over here. So this is, there we go. There we go. We got the hole right there. And then we got that one. All right, we're good. So now we just got to get the screw in. Just like that. Very cool. So now we take this here. This one goes underneath here. And then we're just going to tighten it. Just like that. Okay, we're good. All right, let's get this one on this side. Using this. Find the hole. All right, one left, right? Just one left. Right here. Ah, got it. Oh, shit. I had it.
With a pain in the neck?
Yeah. Got it.
It's all metal.
Nice.
Yeah, it's probably too nice for out here, but yeah, I think it will go right there, I think.
It's going to be awesome. I got a fly that keeps crawling on me.
Oh, that's weird. When you get a minute to shake the hell out of it, honey.
I'm in the middle of something very important. So, yeah, you have to wait for that shake. Because I'm trying to make a video here. Okay, I think we got that part of it done. Now all we got to do is put our feetses on. What does it think I am, its dad or something? All right, so I think all we do is just screw these bad boys in, you know what I mean? We just go like this, and they just go in. You follow me? I think when I get far enough in, I've got to get this on it, and it's got like a little coupling to show you here, see? When I get all the way in. Let's go ahead and get them all in. Let me back up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna go in, and then when I want to get it really tight, I go like that. So first we're gonna get it in there. Just gonna spin her around. And it kind of just screws in. But then when it gets down far enough, it stops, and then I gotta put the wrench on it, which I think I am already there. Yep, there we go. Now, yep, that's it, nice and tight. And these are the last two, they go here. One here and one here. So I guess we could do them both at the same time. Let's see if we can do it. This one doesn't want to get in there. Okay, we're good. Here we go. Whoops. Gotta get them started. This one does not want to go in there. All right, here we go. Let's get them down. Okay. I think we're there. That one's tight. That one is not. This one's got to go deeper. If I put my thumb right there, it goes in. So I'm basically stopping it. Okay, now I'm all the way. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Done. All right, here it is. Finished. Look at that. Woohoo! What do you think? Here it is. Check it out.
I'm gonna have them come back and I'm gonna have them take those 2 chairs.
So my honey's putting this over here. She needs it
I
like
don't
a
know.
thing. And she's trying to decide whether she likes it or not. Because it only took me 2 hours to put it together.
I told you I didn't know, so
Yeah, well,
I don't know.
I don't think for shoes, I don't think that's for shoes. That's more for like,
No, it's for just like everything.
I think it's more like for laundry detergent. Something like
I don't need
that.
that for detergent. These are full of sand.
Well, yeah, maybe I'll put them in there.
I don't know. I'm gonna look for something else for here.
All right, well, this thing is really nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's cute, but
And I think it will work for some things, but maybe not those. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos where I put stuff together and then she tells me she doesn't like it.